Hello everyone, इसमें मैं AI Wali. I am a student at Rehan College Karangi campus in Teacher Training Boot Camp. So today I am conducting an interview on a very important topic related to modern education, which is how to artificial intelligence can personalize learning for every student. It's today digital world. Students have different learning abilities, interest, and speed. Traditional education follow more method of all, but AI help change these systems thought AI learning becoming flexible, smart, and student centered. In this interview, we will deeply discuss the role of AI in education with our guest. So, my guest is सादिया एजुकेशन वाली. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सादिया एजुकेशन वाली, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मैं ठीक हूँ। आप बताएं, आप कैसी हैं?
Today I have one special guest, Sadia. We who and accept education and educational technology. Our Sadia has experience working with AI-based learning platform and understand how technology support a student. Thank you so much, Sadia, to joining us today. So please give me a short introduction.
Thank you, Himana. I'm very happy to be a part of this interview. My name is Sadi Education Wali. I'm student at Rehan College, Karangi campus. And now I'm enrolled in Teacher Training Bootcamp 1, and there I'm learning about teaching and communication skills. Thank you.
ठीक है. तो सादिया, now my first question is what is artificial intelligence in education?
So, artificial intelligence in education means using smart computer systems to support teaching and learning. These systems are joined to think and learn. Humans AI analyze student data such as performance, behavior, and learning speed. It helps identify where students are strong or weak. AI then adjusts lesson according to individual needs. It also helps teachers manage classroom efficiently. Overall, AI improves the quality and efficiency of education.
Okay, that's great. So my next question is what does personalized learning mean?
So, personalized learning means teaching students according to their individual needs and abilities. Every student learns differently and at a different pace. Some students need more practice while others need challenges. AI helps design learning path for each student. This method removes unnecessary pressure. Students feel more comfortable and confident. Learning becomes meaningful and effective.
Okay, so my next question is how does AI understand student learning style?
AI understands learning style by collecting data from student activities. It observes how students answer questions and solve problems. AI tracks time spent on each topic. It also notices repeated mistakes and learning patterns based on this information. AI identifies whether a student learned better visually, verbally, or practically. Lessons are then adjusted accordingly. This helps students learn in the best possible way.
Okay, that's great, Sadia. So my next question is how can AI help slow learner?
So AI helps slow learners by providing extra support and time. Lessons are dividing into small and simple steps. Student can repeat topic without feeling embarrassed. AI explain concept using easy language and visual. It gives additional practice where needed. Progress is tracked slowly and carefully. This builds confidence and reduce fear to failure.
Okay. So my next question is how does AI support fast learner?
AI support fast learner by giving them advanced learning material. It prevents boredom by affording challenges talk fast learning can move ahead without waiting for others. AI provides creative projects and higher level questions. This keeps them mentally engaged. Their skills improve continuously. Motivation and curiosity remain high.
Okay, Sadia. Nice answer. Now my next question is, how does AI increase student engagement?
Uh, Okay, so AI increase engagement through interactive tools like games and quizzes. Students enjoy learning in a fun way. Lessons become more interesting and lively. AI keeps students active instead of passive. Engagement improves naturally. Students participate more in learning. This improves understanding and retention.
Okay, now my next question is, how does AI allow students to learn at their own pace?
Okay, so AI allows students to control
मेरी
their.
अलमारी में ड्रॉर में
So, AI allows students to control their learning speed. Student can pause a lesson anytime. Difficult topics can be repeated multiple times. There is no pressure to keep up with others. AI adjusts lesson speed automatically. Students feel relaxed and confident. Learning becomes stress-free.
Okay, so my next question is, can AI help a student with learning difficulty?
Yes, AI is very helpful for students with learning difficulties. It provides special learning tools like audio lesson and visuals. AI gives extra practice and guidance. Learning gaps are identified early. Students get timely help. Confidence improves gradually. Education becomes inclusive and fair.
Okay, so my next question is, how does AI provide feedback to students?
AI give instant feedback after tests and activities. Students immediately know their mistake. This help them correct errors quickly. Feedback is clear and personalized. Students understand what needs improvement. Learning becomes continuous. Performance improve faster.
Okay, that's great answer. Okay, so my next question is, how does AI help in exam preparation?
AI helps in exam preparation by creating personalized practice tests. It focuses on weak topics. AI prepares revision, schedule progress is mentioned regularly. Students know their improvement table, confidence increase before exam preparation, become organized and effective.
Okay, nice answer. Now my next question is, how does AI motivate students?
So AI motivates students through rewards and progress tracking. Students feel happy seeing their achievements. Small goals encourage consistency. AI gives positive feedback regularly. Confidence grows step by step. Students enjoy learning. Motivate stays strong.
Okay, so my next question is AI useful in online learning?
Yes, AI is very useful in online learning. It manages large number of students easily. L- Lessons are personalized. Even online students receive support anytime. Learning remains interactive and engaging. Online education improves creativity. Students benefit more.
That's great answer, Sadia. Now my next question is, can AI reducing learning stress?
AI reduced by removing pressure and comparison. Students learn at their comfort level. There is no fear of failure. AI creates a calm learning environment, students feel relaxed, mental stress decreases, learning becomes healthy.
Okay, that's great. So my next question is, how does AI help parents understand student progress?
AI provide clear performance report for parents. Parents can see strength and weakness. Communication become easy and transparent. Parents stay involved in learning. They support children better at home. Trust between schools and parents increase. Student performance improves.
Okay, so my next question is, can AI replace teachers?
No, AI cannot replace teachers. Teachers provide emotional support and guidance. Human interaction is essential for learning. AI is only a supporting tool. Teacher inspire remain irresponsible.
Okay, so my next question is, how can school use AI responsibility? Responsible.
Must protect student data carefully. Teachers should guide AI uses. AI should support learning goals only. Technology should not replace human interaction. Ethical use is important. Balance must be maintained. Responsible use ensures success.
Okay, so my next question is, what skills do students gain from AI learning?
Students gain digital and technical skills, problem solving abilities, improving critical thinking, develops confidence in technology, increase students become future ready, learning becomes modern skills helping careers.
Does AI support in Suleving education?
Possible AI removes learning barriers, education becomes fair, inclusion improves, every student gets support.
Okay, so my next question is, how does AI personalize homework?
AI assigns homework based on student ability. Weak areas get more practice. Strong areas get challenges. Homework become meaningful. Students learn better. Stress reduces. Performance improves.
Okay, now next questions. Now my next question is, can AI improve learning
AI
accuracy?
AI improves learning accuracy by reducing human error. Feedback is precise and timely. Learning gaps are identified
ला वाईफाई बन गया
better.
नहीं नहीं सही है Okay, so my next question is, how does AI support lifelong learning?
So AI support learning at all ages. Adult can reskills easily. Learning is flexible and personalized. AI adapts content continuously. Improvement never stops. Skill remain update. Lifelong learning becomes easy.
Okay, is AI suitable for all subject?
Yes, AI is suitable for many subjects like math, science, and languages. Practice becomes easier. Learning tools adapt content. Understanding improves. Teacher guide creativity.
Okay, so my next question is, what is the future of AI in education?
The future of AI in education is very bright. Learning will become more personalized, students will get better support, education will be
जब लाइट
flexible
जाती होगी।
and inclusive. AI will grow in schools, teaching quality will improve, learning will benefit everyone.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
So,
अब मैं इंटरव्यू खत्म करती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच सादिया कि आपने मुझे इंटरव्यू दिया। एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।
okay,
आपके साथ इंटरव्यू लेके बहुत अच्छा लगा।
okay, Allah Hafiz.